All right, Justin, how are you?
Really good.
Yeah. Week 2 of PSA?
Yeah.
Good?
Really good.
2 weeks in America?
Yeah.
Good? Yeah, you like America?
Really like it.
Do you miss Korea?
Kind of miss, but at here I could learn many new like sports and eat new food, so it's kind of really fun here.
Yeah. So we have 3 weeks left. It's gonna go by quick.
Yeah.
Okay, so enjoy yourself, all right?
Okay.
Cool. So I'm gonna ask you a couple of questions about this last week. So we did a lot of activities, right?
Yeah.
Give me a couple of your favorite activities we did.
My favorite was soccer what we do at Wednesday, and debate lesson at Thursday, and the Saturday Milwaukee, and the kickball when we do today.
Yeah. So you like some sports?
Yeah.
What was your favorite sport day? Kickball or soccer?
I like the kickball.
You like kickball?
Yeah, because at soccer we rent 2 big fields, so kind of hard to do score thing. But at kickball it was kind of small, so it could be too good for me.
Yeah, high score is 17-14. That's a high scoring game, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. How far did you get? Did you get all the way to third base or all the way to home?
Yeah, I do just ground ball, but like Karen missed the ball.
Oh yeah.
So I go to the second base, but Benjamin threw to the ball to second base, but Daniel missed. So I go to the third base. It was really lucky to me.
So you were watching. You were paying attention. That's good. I'm glad you liked it.
Yeah.
Cool. And then you said you like debate. What do you think about debate?
I think all the teachers are really good at debate, and are really good at talking to about really good things about debate and how to do good at debate.
Yeah.
So it's really good.
Yeah.
And she has really many ideas about debates.
Yeah. It's new to you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you think you're doing?
I think I'm kind of at the middle side, because I always have I always go like pro and con and pro and con, so at the middle.
Okay, cool. And then Milwaukee, we went to Milwaukee.
Yeah.
Give me 2 things. So we did 4 things.
Yeah.
Give me 2 of your favorite.
I like the Discovery World. Can I do 3?
Sure.
My favorite was Discovery World, Harley Davidson, and the Outback Restaurant.
Okay.
Because of the Discovery World, at the Korea there's many science museum, but there's not big museum. It's the Discovery World, and
so Discovery World was big.
Yeah, really big. Really, kind of good to me because I can't go there so many times. And Harley Davidson was at Korea. There's not many motorcycle museum, so it was first to me, and I could ride the other motorcycles.
You got
so
to
it was
sit
really
on it,
fun.
right? You got some pictures of that?
Yeah.
Have you ever sat on a motorcycle before?
Just one time.
Just one time, okay. So, cool.
And last one is Outback Restaurant, because at Korea I go to many Outback restaurants, but at the America's Outback there's kind of many change things from Korea, so it's more better than the Korea Outback. Yeah.
Huh. And what did you order?
I ordered baby back ribs.
Baby back ribs, yeah. Was it cool to order all the food to the waitress?
Yeah.
How did it feel?
Like I was first to order my own, and I was really excited to order by the American waitress.
Did you get the right food?
Yeah.
Good. So then you ordered correctly.
Yeah.
Awesome. So this was your first week of elementary school?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you make friends? Did you have fun?
Yeah. I made many friends, and we go to the many water thingy, and we do many play at the playground, and we eat many snacks, and we eat delicious lunch. So it was very good.
Yeah. Good. I'm glad you had fun.
Yeah.
Great. So next week you'll go back to elementary school.
Yeah.
What are you most excited about the next 3 weeks?
I think the best thing is getting my friends back.
What do you mean?
like my Adam was like go to his house early, so I could see but he's my best friend at the school. But so kind of I'm missing it.
No, of course.
And it's kind of good at sports, so we're talking about sport like that. It was good. And one is the water park, because at Korea there's many water park, so I went there. So I thought about how good is the America's water park, so I'm so excited about that.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Excited to go camping?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna sleep in tents and have a big bonfire, huge fire, roast some marshmallows. It's gonna be good.
I slept before at 10 and make a bonfire, but I don't eat marshmallows, so how would it taste?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Especially good with chocolate and graham crackers.
Yeah.
Super good. And we'll cook some really good Korean beef too.
Really?
Barbecue. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be great.
Yeah.
Awesome, Justin. Well, I'm glad you're having fun here at PSA.
Yeah.
And we have 3 more weeks left. Have fun,
Okay.
man. It's going to be really exciting. And
Okay.
we'll see you next Sunday for the next interview. And we'll see how you like this next week, okay?
Okay.
Awesome, man. All right, well, if you finish your journal, good. Get ready for bed and have a good night, okay?
Okay, good night.
Good night, Justin.
Okay.